Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 13, the Indian National Movement. The history of Indian national movement can be divided into three phases: early nationalist phase, assertive nationalist phase, and Gandhian phase. Now let's talk about the early nationalist or the moderates. At the earlier stage, the leaders who led the Congress were known as the early nationalists or the moderates. Some of the important leaders during this period were Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The early nationalists were interested in the continuation of the British rule. They believed that British rule was a blessing for them because it had conferred several benefits on India. As they were not yet ready to govern themselves, they had to remain under the British because of their interest only. The early nationalists had a high opinion of the honesty and a sense of justice of the British. They believed that the British would introduce necessary reforms for them and the government could be transformed to suit the interest of the Indian subjects. The main objective of the early nationalists was to participate in the government in the near future, and in the distant future they wanted to move towards self-government. Means in the distant future they wanted their own independent government to run. Now, to fulfill their objective, they adopted peaceful and constitutional methods. They presented their grievances to the government and thought that the government would remove those grievances by passing laws. They believed that the government would gradually give in to their demands. Now, what were the demands of the early nationalists? They wanted the British to introduce a few reforms for the welfare of all sections of Indian society. They believed that the British would fulfill their demands if their demands were reasonable and just. Now let's talk about the contributions of the early nationalists. According to some historians, the early nationalist leaders failed to achieve their objectives. However, their contributions to the cause of Indian awakening were immense. The early Congress leaders exposed the true nature of the British rule in India. They established a solid foundation which served as a base for a more radical approach in later years. They created strong public opinion by promoting unity, spreading political awareness among the people, and thereby aroused national spirit amongst the Indian people. The Congress under the early nationalists trained the Indians in political affairs. And the political affairs helped Indian nationalists to organize and raise the national movement to the next stage of development.